Hello and welcome to the Bowling University studio from the International Bowling Campus in Arlington, Texas. I'm Kelly Bednar, your host for this episode. Thanks for joining us. If you're joining the Profit Break for the first time, we're glad you're here. Give us 15 minutes and you'll be on your way to improving your profitability. Today we have with us a member of the Classic Product TASKForce and one of our Brunswick A2 4-day school instructors, Mr. Stuart Treutel. With over 30 years of industry experience, most of which is on A2 pin setters, his knowledge and patience with me while on the road together is why we've asked him to join us here today. Stuart, great to see you again, and thanks for taking the time to join us.
Thank you, Kelly.
Yeah, as I said, patience with me, somebody who does just enough to be dangerous as we're working on these machines, and I learned so much from you every time we do these classes. So today, for all of you guys here watching and gals watching, you ever have a situation where you've got a 180 and you get back there just to find that there's pins sitting at the pin gate? What is that and how'd that happen? So Stuart here is going to walk us through a couple of little tips to help us with that Brunswick adjustment number 34, if you're familiar with the book, on how that looks. So Stuart, walk us through how that gate getting opened should look.
Okay. First of all, you want the turret stop lever roller to go onto the high of the indexing cam, as you can see here. And when it is on the high of the indexing cam, the rear of that stop lever roller is going to be at its lowest point. And then when it goes into the low of the indexing cam, as the turret indexes, it will actually raise that latch link and go underneath the latch and open your pin gate.
Okay, so that pin gate not reopening is what causes pins to be stuck on the cross conveyor, not falling into the turret like they're supposed to, and we get just waiting for pins, right? Hey,
Yes,
where are my pins? Where are they not coming? So what's the basic of adjustments for this? And what are we looking for? Are we looking for wear? Are we looking to adjust first? What are we looking to do?
Yes, you want to make sure that your latch link or the strap is in good shape. That shoulder that's on your latch link, make sure it's nice and sharp at a 90-degree angle. And then also you want to check your roll pin or your bolt in your pin gate latch to make sure that's in good shape. And then to do the adjustment, as you can see right where the arrow is pointing at, you can actually see the two bolts. You're going to need a 5/16 and a 3/8 wrench, and you can adjust that strap up and down. But yeah, make sure that the indexing, the stop lever roller, is in the high of the indexing cam when you make this adjustment.
Yeah, that'd be kind of backwards if you weren't in that high spot. So just make sure it's in the high spot. Get it, bring it back off an eighth to a 3/16 of an inch, and that should be the right adjustment with the right, like you said, no wear on that strap. Now you mentioned to me something. So you've had a strap. I know they wear pretty good, but you said you had some straps that wore out much slower.
Yeah, they have a non-metallic strap. Most of them are metal now. And when you have metal on metal, it's going to wear a lot quicker and it's going to wear that shoulder. So these non-metallic straps, I've had them on there for 30 years and not had them wear. So definitely something to check into and, try it out and see if you like it and then go from there.
Great. Well, hey, we mentioned that in the opening here, we talked about that adjustment number 34, the pin gate. So if anybody's got your manual, you can see that adjustment 34. And I brought this up on a slide here. Thank you for bringing that up, is that you've got the little part number there. If you're looking for that part number for that non-metallic strap, that'll last a lot longer. And now you're just doing an adjustment. And this really should be a set it and forget it. If you got it's not something you should have to be tinkering with, but it's just one of those things that might help you. Hey, I've got pin gate issues that we can look at to make sure we can get those working. So, Stuart, thanks for your time. We thank you for coming out and helping us one more time here on the Profit Break. So, as we wrap up another edition of our Bowling University Profit Break, remember that your focus is on growing your people will grow your business. We look forward to seeing you next time for another great episode. If you have any questions about today's show, attending a boot camp, a school, or just an additional maintenance information, you can reach us at any time at education@bpa.com. Also, you and your team can watch any of our previous episodes 24/7 by visiting bowlinguniversity.net. The Profit Break is available when you want it, and we have new episodes premiering every month. Until then, I'm Kelly Bednar, and do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. See you next time.